Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3-4 years ago. Models from Office Rhythm in Okinawa. Best model agency in Okinawa, Office Rhythm. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, pretty interesting pencil drawing type image, pretty good. And she's pretty nice. Her expression is so nice. Well, gonna try to make something interesting image from these two. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode. Normal to darken, multiply, pretty dark, huh? Color burn, pretty dramatic, Okay, let's see. Pretty nice overlay. Lighting is LED light, so exposure is pretty low. That's why I pushed so much, so we see the grains. Pretty interesting colors. Well, let's see, let's make one image from this. Luminosity, okay. Select multiple, 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get one layer. Then I'm going to duplicate this, change blend mode to multiply, goes darker. Pretty interesting. Well, merge down. Now we got the three images. This is a luminosity effect. Pretty nice, interesting color though. Well, as a base, I can use this. Okay, before start this, I'm going to change names. Okay, I changed the names. This is original image, then pencil drawing type image. Well, luminosity, bring back to normal. Now pencil drawing type image, then this is luminosity effect, layer double, multiple the colors. Well, this is very interesting. This is gonna be the base image. I'm gonna move this one to over all the way bottom, then just turn it on. Well, yeah, turn it down just now for pencil drawing type image. Then create empty mask on this original image, then invert this mask so we see the base image. Luminosity effect layer. Alright, reveal with dry media to pastel square. Well, since we have these pastel colors, I'm gonna use this. We have luminosity effect layer here, right? And I'm very interested with this image here, the color wise. So let's see, if I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then move this one over original image. Now turn on the original image. Then I'm gonna change this luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to darken. This mask is all opacity down all the way. Then look at it. Okay, if I reveal this mask, it's gonna show much. Okay, now pastel square again. Well, pretty interesting, isn't it? Okay, in this case, I'm kind of interesting. Find brush to reveal this. Mixer brushes to Monet mixer. It's kind of interesting. Okay, I'm gonna cut mask. Now create empty mask. Now I'm gonna use same Monet mixer. Then hide. Okay, now what I'm doing is this mask. This is the original image, right? Then just making mask to show this luminosity image. If I turn this one off, we see this base image. But this is luminosity effect layer is overlay. So if I take this one off, then we see this luminosity effect layer straight, but sandwich this original image with this luminosity effect layer, but overlay. Shows the image this way with this mask. So if I want to hide, it's going to show the lighter image. So reveal. Shows a little bit darker image. Kind of complicated, pretty much difficult to see the difference. But when you see it, pretty interesting image. Well, now I'm using a Monet mixer. That's pretty interesting texture. Okay, now I want to add some darker color outside. So yeah, I'm gonna add layer, then paint on same Monet mixer, since this is a texture, same kind of texture. Then I'm gonna pick some brown. This is mixer brush, so it's not gonna paint well. So we're gonna use painting to Suzanne. Nice, same kind of texture, but this is paintbrush, so it goes darker. Using texture, and I'm gonna add white. Well, outside border line, white border, I'm gonna touch up some. Okay, go for this mask now. Same Suzanne, 1. It's not reveal this, so we see the more sharper original image. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna using a pencil drawing type of image, this one. No, okay, now I'm gonna turn it off, these images. Okay, this is the basic image which I made. Pencil drawing type image, luminosity blend mode to original image to get this image. Well, actually double the color. Multiply, then merge down to get this effect. Luminosity image. This is one. Luminosity effect layer. Then over that, I'm using that original image with mask, which is overall original image, dark image, but I have mask on here this much, kind of foggy mask texture from Monet Mixer brush texture. This texture, kind of foggy image. Then I add, well, I put the luminosity effect layer, change the blend mode to overlay 65% over this image, shows like that, pretty much contrast. Then see the colors too because of the overlay blend mode, shows like this. This is pretty interesting, color wise. Then I got edge borderline, makes this one like so, to paint it with the Monet Mixer texture and also the Cezanne to get this texture of the outlines painted on like so. Well, that's about it for today, and pretty interesting image, isn't it? Well, I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative. Make some exciting image. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.